And hold on for the math. It's math time. Do 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 do. It's math time. Do 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 do. Ta-da! Hey everybody. Alright. And hey world. Yep, it's Adam and Petri, and we're here to do a little bit about math today. What kind of math? I'm glad you asked. Today it's going to be about greater than and less than. Okay. Well, help me understand it. All right. Greater than means that there's more of something. Show me, please. I'm glad you wanted to do that. So I'm looking at this. Petri, look at this. Legos! You got it. So in these Legos, one side has just one little person. One, right there. And the other side has 10 different Lego people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got him. So which side has more or is greater than? Oh, it's the one with a lot more people. You got it. This side is greater than the other side. And the one with one has less than. Okay, I think I get it. How about this? What if you had tissues? I'm just crying. Are you sad? No, I'm just pretending. Oh, okay. So this side has tissues. And I have a bunch more tissues over here. I actually have 3 over here, and you only have 1 on your head. Petri. Yep. Which one has less than? Well, since I only have 1, that's less than 3. You got it. You don't need to cry about anything, buddy. You're learning math. I think I get it. Okay, so when you do your math, think about greater than as being more, and less than, it's just a smaller number. Okay, let's do something. All right, have fun learning today. Bye.